Hello everyone, this is Shanku. So today we are going to be discussing about the methods of embryo culture. So it is saying that depending upon the organ culture, it is of two types, ovule culture and ovary culture. So it is ovule culture when we are culturing ovule, and when it is ovary culture when we are culturing ovary. So if you see that the methods are two, ovule culture and ovary culture. So what is ovule culture? Ovule embryo culture is a method or technique of embryo rescue where embryos are cultured while still inside their ovule to prevent damaging them during the excision process. So what it is saying that ovule culture is a culture that is modified of embryo rescue. It is a modified embryo rescue technique where the embryo are cultured. The embryo is cultured is still inside the ovule to prevent damage during the excision process. So what it is saying that ovule the embryo is still inside ovule and the total thing is cultured. Why it is cultured like that? To prevent damage during excision, where we are taking that out from the ovule, so we are not risking it for the damage during excision. So to prevent damage during excision, the embryo is cultured while it is still inside the ovule to prevent damage. It is a modified technique. It is called embryo culture. Okay, the excision process cause damage to the embryo. The excision process cause damage to the embryo, so we culture it while it is still inside ovule. Is called ovule embryo culture. Okay, so the next one is ovary culture. So what is ovary culture? In ovary culture, on the other hand, embryos the use of an entire ovary into the culture. The ovary is surface sterilized and the cultured. So the ovary is surface sterilized and cultured and inserted into the nutrient medium. Okay, so what it is saying that the ovary culture embryo is used an entire ovary. The ovary which is inside the embryo which is inside the ovary is put onto culture. The ovary surface is surface sterilized and cultured and inserted into nutrient medium. So this is ovary that is surface sterilized and inserted into culture medium. This is ovary culture medium, and then from that ovary a whole plant is being produced. So this is ovary culture. What it says is that in ovary culture, on the other hand, that is compared to ovule culture, on the other hand, ovule culture compared to ovule culture implies the use of the entire ovary into the culture. The whole ovary is placed into culture. The ovary is how it is done. The ovary is surface sterilized and cultured inside medium. Okay, nutrient medium. Okay, let me put it from the beginning. The methods are two, ovule culture and ovary culture. The ovule which contains the ovule which contains the embryo which contains the embryo is placed into a nutrient medium. Embryo, it is in nutrient medium and grown into whole plant. So this is ovule culture. And in case of ovary culture, okay, in case of ovary culture, the ovary is wholly placed into a nutrient media, that is nutrient media, and from there a whole plant is produced. Okay, so this is ovary culture and ovule culture. In ovule culture, the whole ovule is used, and in ovary culture, the whole ovary is used. So ovule is used, and in ovary culture, ovary is used. This is the main difference between ovule culture and ovary culture. There are two methods. One is ovule culture and ovary culture. So if you like it, then give me subscribe.